Some recorder I put off on me. How nice. And I'm gonna take it out of cinema mode. Put it in the standard 30 frames per second, which is as much as we get. Alright. I'm gonna make it brighter. Let's see. Okay. And alright. Shoot. Fuck. I'm going back to keeping my eye on my drone. Alright. Center shots. Doing a 360. I'm gonna do left this time. Like that. And then it's gonna do it. And as it's doing that, I'm moving the gimbal. Says very poor Wi-Fi. Move the gimbal up. Alright. And it's done. Alright. So just bring it back down. Hoping my thing is still recording. Cut off on me. Bring it back down. As I come down, I should move the gimbal down. See. That makes for a nice recording. There's a fly on top of my head, just chilling. And it's right above me. It's being stubborn. Just a little bit. Zoom into that grass. Let's see something. Go here. It brightened it up. Using the rest of this battery. And the good thing I did come down, because here comes a plane. So, worked out. Zoom in, zoom out. The gimbal up. which it looks crooked. Alright, there we go. And it's going 3 minutes before auto land. Sorry about that. It's gonna land in 3 minutes. Let's see. So I'm gonna make it land. It's gonna land right there. It's not gonna come back to me. Obviously, it does its best to, but it never does come back where it needs to land at. So right now, stop the video.